Hi guys, this is Tanu and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a super affordable puff sleeve topsole from Amazon, and I bought total 6 tops and each one is under 500 rupees except only one top which is also under 600 rupees, and of course I bought them at a nice discount. As you guys know that puff sleeve tops are going super trendy right now, and I love statement sleeves like puff sleeves, butterfly sleeves, bell sleeves or flared sleeves. And one of my subscribers wanted me to make a video on affordable puff sleeve topsole. So I'm here with super affordable, super stylish puff sleeve topsole for all of you. And without doing further ado, let's get started. So I bought total 6 tops and 5 of them are from the same brand, which is called Illy London. So the first one is a white full sleeve top, and this neckline is called Sweetheart Neck, and I must say that this name is pretty perfect for this neckline. And as you can see that it has a decent puffs around the shoulders, and the fabric is very stretchable and soft as it's made of a polyester and spandex blend. So it's a slim fit top, and girls, I'll highly recommend you to buy this one. But I would like to share one thing, that this one is not going to be great for summers, but surely you can enjoy this one in these cozy days, and you have endless options to style it up. And I bought this one only for 599 while their actual price is 1599. This is the next one, and the color is beautiful, so I bought one more top in this color, and again the fabric is very soft and stretchable, but the length is quite long. Maybe you need to tuck in, and just team it up with a pair of jeggings or jeans or shorts and flats to step out in style. And I grabbed this top only for 499 while their actual price is 1599. So here is my next one. I'm loving this top, I'm loving this color, and it has a square neck which is so cool. And just look at the sleeves, they are so beautiful, and the sleeve just ends above your elbow, so doesn't restrict your mobility or looks crunched up. So overall it's a must try, girls, and I just paid 499 for this pretty one. So it's another one which I'm wearing right now, and this pink top and this one, they're exactly the same. Nothing is different in these tops. The fabric, the fitting, everything is awesome. I'm loving these tops, and I love this mustard color, so wanted to try this one, and I found that this one is looking pretty nice on me, so I'm really happy to buy this one. And the price is also same, only 499. Here is another pista colored top. And guys, these 5 tops are from the same brand, so everything is almost same in these tops. The fitting, the fabric, the style, everything is nice. And this top has a zip closure at your back side, and its sleek and beautiful design gives you a sophisticated look. So I found this one really cool. I love this one, and this one is only for $4.99. This is the last one for today, guys. And truly speaking, that I never thought that I would get such a good product at such a low price. The fabric is beautiful, very soft and smooth and easy to maintain. And the net of the sleeves is also of good stretchable quality. It also has a zip closure at your backside, so you can go for a fitting top as it will not be a hassle to wear. And the color is really beautiful. The black is really a dark one, which I like very much. So it has been a great purchase for me at just $3.99, and I'm happy with it. Guys, hope you found this video helpful, and if you enjoy this, please give it a thumbs up, also share, and please subscribe to my channel to get more affordable and trendy fashion ideas. And if you have any recommendations, then please let me know in the comment section below, and keep coming back to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.